Section 3.2, example 4, applying integration by parts when ally ATE does not work. So ally ATE is a little acronym used for us to help, or used to help us find what we could use for U instead of DV. And it stands for logarithmic functions, inverse, trig functions, algebraic functions, trig functions, and exponential functions. It's all in the book. But in this case, we don't have something that we could, like, we can't really use this, because what we would do is look at log, we don't have that. Inverse trig, we don't have that. Algebraic, we have it. And if we let U equal t cubed, there's really not much of a problem here. It ends up going to 0, but the problem we come across is when we get dv. So leaving this as et squared dt. So integrating that, we don't have that extra variable for t, so we would have to do something a little tiny bit different. So let's rearrange this to something that we could actually use. So integral of t squared times t e to the t squared dt. Now this part we are able to integrate. Let's take a look over here. Let's do a little bit of scratch work over here. So the integral of t e to the t squared dt, we're going to let u equal t squared. Let's not use u, let's use omega. Let omega equal to t squared. D omega is equal to 2t dt. So the integral here is going to be 1 over 2 e to the u du. So 1 over 2 e to the t squared. And there we go. So that's the integration of that one right there. So let's come over here and do this. So we're going to let u equal t squared. And we're going to let u equal t squared. dv is going to be equal to t e to the t squared dt. So the derivative du is equal to 2t dt. The integral of v is equal to 1 over 2 e to the t squared. So now evaluating this, we end up with integral of t squared, or I'm sorry, integral of t cubed e to the t squared dt is equal to u times v, 1 over 2 t squared e to the t squared minus the integral of v du. The 2's end up dividing out. So we're left with t e to the t squared dt, which we already know how to integrate this because we just integrated that. So we have 1 over 2 t squared e to the t squared minus, not t, minus 1 over 2 e to the t squared plus c. And that's it. If you have any questions, I know this one was a bit confusing, but if you do have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.